Okay, here we go. Are you looking for the best keywords for the topic of basketball using the database and a tool called vidIQ? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's go. Let's get into it. All right. Now, yesterday we were trying to get some of the best questions for getting topics for your video. And let me get into this over here. Now, we had some trouble getting the data into Access. So what I did was I got the two searches from Answer the Public in Excel. And this is what it looks like over here. These are the searches from basketball leagues and from basketball tournaments. This is what it looks like in Excel. And I put them in Excel right over here. Let me get all of this. Let me minimize this for right now. And then let's go into Access. This is Microsoft Access right here. And here we go. These are all the Answer the Public searches that I have. And then let's go ahead and get all the basketball data from Answer the Public. Well, there we go. So now we added over here, like you can tell over here under the keyword section, there's basketball tournament. There's one from basketball leagues and all the other ones. Here's another one for basketball leagues. Here's one for basketball leagues. Here's one for basketball tournament. How do basketball tournaments work? And here, how do fantasy basketball leagues work? And here's another one. How long are basketball tournaments? So you can see that I got them now entered into the database. So you can say, okay, that is all wonderful and nice, but now how do I get a nice list of all of them? So now we come over here and I'm going to say, give me the, let's see, give me all the data for the basketball. Oh, that's what we just had up. So I'm going to give it all here with nice and sorted. And I got 171 questions all related to basketball. Now there are some duplicates, I think, but these are all of them. So if you're doing a basketball channel here, how much are youth basketball? How much does youth basketball cost? How to coach youth basketball? What are the basketball leagues? Let's see here. What basketball position am I? What is the best youth basketball? Here we go. When are the NCAA basketball tournaments? When was basketball created? Where is basketball played? Why is it so popular? Where to start coaching basketball? So these are all the different questions you can ask related to the sport of basketball. So if you are running a basketball channel and you need video ideas for your channel, this is how you can get over 170 ideas for your basketball channel. Okay, so now we got that over there. Let me get my mouse going over here. Okay. All right. Now, there is a real cool tool called vidIQ, which you can use for entering keywords. And these return the search results from like search engines such as Google. And these will tell you how many searches there are for keywords related to basketball. So what I have done is I have actually done some of these searches using vidIQ, and I'm going to put a link at the bottom of our channel to the vidIQ YouTube channel, so you can go on there. They have some excellent videos. They have hundreds and hundreds of videos. Think Media is another excellent YouTube channel which has tons of videos on how to use the vidIQ tool. It's like an add-on for the Chrome web browser. Once you get it installed, they have a trial version which you can get, and then they have a full version. They have several different levels that you can pay for, and each one gives you more and more options for entering keywords. They even have video ideas which you post on there as well, which you get when you get the paid version. Now, let me go ahead and show you what the data is when you get it from vidIQ. So this is some of the basketball data. So the data, the keyword search over here is basketball tournaments, basketball leagues. I'm highlighting it on the right. And you're getting here related score, search volume, competition, and overall. So this is the search volume for some of them that I entered in Access. So this is what I put in Excel to load into Access. So I'm going to close this, and now we're going to go to the database, and then we are going to get the, let's see if we can get the query. I know I made a query for the basketball data there. All right, now this is what all the basketball data looks like in the database. So what I did was I got it to group all the basketball data from all the different queries. I had a bunch of different queries, and I'm going to show that to you in a minute. And some of the different keywords appear multiple times. So I had it group everything together, which means that when there are duplicates, it sums up the columns of here: related score, search volume, competition, and the overall score. So that's what you want. You want to know which are the keywords which appear in multiple searches. Those are the keywords that you really want to focus on when you're trying to make a list of the top keywords. Now, what I did here is I had this whole list sorted. Now, how do you know how this whole query is put together? Well, there is a design view over here in Access, which I put this together previously. And I can show you over here. I get my mouse to work. This shows you all the different, here, I'm going to see if I can highlight this. This shows you all the different groupings in the keyword search term. And let me see here. Right now, we are sorting by overall keyword here. We're sorting descending. So we're going from the highest to the lowest. Now you could say, wait a minute, why don't you search by the search volume? So we can take the search off over here. We're going to go from search volume. And search volume, we want to go from the highest to the lowest, and not from the lowest to the highest. So ascending is from lowest to highest. Descending is from highest to the lowest. I'm going to go ahead and save that, and then we're going to run that. So this is sorted by this column over here, which is search volume. So the first keyword is, of course, NBA, TikTok, ESPN, NBA highlights. LeBron James, of course, is the most searched keyword. Of course, then you get basketball, Lakers, perfect dude, Steph Curry, Flight Reacts, LaMelo Ball, Golden State Warriors is the most searched. Instagram, LeBron, and here you go, Stephen Curry. He's the most searched person according to vidIQ. And here, Kobe Bryant is still searched a lot. And these are all the top searched. I'm here going the 30 top. Russell Westbrook, girls, Serbia, Anthony, and sport, bloopers, Panama, here, league, college basketball, Boston Celtics. So these are the most searched here. San Diego, I'm here, number 73 here, Los Angeles Lakers. We're in the top 80, 90, we're here, number 90. Basketball drills, NCAA basketball. We're now like here, top 50. Gonzaga is number 101. So these are the top 100 most occurring, according to search volume, most occurring searches according to the vidIQ data. And this is search volume from at least 7 searches. Now you can ask, what are the vidIQ, what are the searches that I'm combining here to get this data? Well, there is a little button down here called SQL. That stands for Structured Query Language. And this is the script which is used to generate this data. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, this is a code which returns all the data from the database. So I'm going to come down here to the what's called the where clause, and I'm going to hit some enters so that you can see. This is where it's telling us what the search criteria are. I'm going to put some enters in here so it makes it easier to read right there. Okay, so it's saying here select. These are the fields. So you're getting a little lesson in SQL here. I'm going to put this in here. It's going to say, give me the keyword field. Then it's going to give me the sum of the related score, the sum of the search volume, and the sum of the competition. And then over here, the overall score. And it's going to put under these titles over here. And it's pulling it from this table. And this is a table in the My Access database. And then this is the search criteria, where the keywords that it's using, and this is where I'm getting it from the different searches, the keywords it's using is basketball or basketball camps, basketball leagues, basketball tournaments, boys basketball, coaching basketball, college basketball, girls basketball, or high school basketball. So I'm pulling this from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different searches. And I'm grouping it by the keywords. The very first one, I don't want any duplicates from the keyword. I don't want any dupes. So I want to see each keyword only once. So I'm grouping it by the keywords, and I'm ordering it by the sum in descending order, by the sum of the search volume. And that's what all that means. That's what all that means. So I'm going to go ahead and hit run over here. And that's what, so it's going by the search volume. This is the highest search volume. So it's NBA. That's the most searched keyword. And then I'm going here, TikTok. So that's why I'm not getting any duplicates over here. There are no dupes. I'm still getting 951 search keywords. So there you go. 951 search keywords. Now you can do this in Excel, sure. You could do this in Microsoft Excel or in what's the other one? It's in Google Sheets, but it's it's a lot of work. You have to use formulas, and you gotta put all the numbers together. You gotta group all the numbers. You gotta sort all the numbers. You gotta sum all the numbers. It's a lot of work. And the nice thing about a database is, if you know a little bit of SQL or SQL, then Access can help you write the SQL statement. And then in just a couple of minutes, you get all your keyword search results. If you got any value out of this, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to keep this broadcast as short as possible. I know the last one was kind of long. Tomorrow and the day after, we're going to touch on some other topics which are real fun and interesting and trending. And we're going to get some questions and get some video topics first. And then we're going to go ahead and look at what the search results for those topics are in vidIQ. We're going to put everything in the database and see what all the search results are. So thank you for coming. Please comment and let me know what you thought of it. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next broadcast. Have a good night. Thank you.